India gi ahan bo oina Manipuri film Bongna BAFTA Award winner oiba ngamkre Lakshmi Priya Devi na direction piba Manipuri film Bongna British Academy of Film and Television Art ki Best Children and Family Film category da award adu fangba ngamkhibani Bongna award asi fanglaklaba Manipur gidamakta natana India gi oina ahan bo oibana yamna chokthok chaningai ni tangkak ama oiri film asina BAFTA award fanglakpada Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchan hanagi Chief Minister Okram Ibobi MP Dr Bimol Akoizam amadi Maikai Kayadagi thagatpa phongdorakti.
Such big love, a film that is not only rooted in a place which is very troubled, very much ignored and very unrepresented in India, my homeland, Manipur. It's a homage to my homeland. So, just want to use this opportunity to say that we pray for peace to return to Manipur. We pray that all the internally displaced children, including the child actors in the film, regain their joy, their innocence, and their dream once again. We pray that no conflict is ever formidable enough to destroy the one superpower that all of us have as human beings, that is forgiveness. So, thank you, BAFTA, for giving us not only an award, but this stage to express our hope. Thank you and have a wonderful evening, everyone.